Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. I'm using my Laura Mercier primer. Then we're hopping in with the Fenty Beauty foundation and my Clinique. I'm just buffing that in with my charcoal infused brush from the drugstore. I was testing out a Walmart blending sponge that's really big, and I thought it would be like the one that Nikki Tutorial uses, but it's not, and it totally sucks up all the product. You guys will see what I mean in a second. Just buffing that out with my Eco Tool sponge. Now I'm just going in with my Tarte Shape Tape. It always has so much product right when you take it out, so I can never like spread it out the way beauty gurus do, because I do not want a cakey ass under eye. So yeah. And there we go, disappeared. Literally sucked up all the product. Remember to focus the concealer where you want more coverage, but remember to blend down so you get the highlighted look. I've been trying out different techniques. I'm just going to set it with the Airspun loose powder right after I blend it out. And I'm using a Walmart brush. So now setting the brows with my Brow Drama by Maybelline. I'm just going in with the Carly Bible palette and setting my lid with the lightest white shade. Now I'm just going in with the light purple shade in the palette. To deepen up the crease, I'm going in with the darker purple shade in the palette, applying that into the outer V. Now I'm just going in with the purple shimmery shade. It came out more like a silver purple, and I did wet that with some Mario Badescu spray. I'm just applying Just going in with the lightest pinky color that she had in the palette. Applying that to my brow bone and my inner corner. Now I'm just applying the e.l.f. mascara, but it seems to be expired, so I'm using the Butter London mascara. This mascara was really watery, but it really gave me some volume. Not as good as L'Oreal. No shade. Now I'm just setting my face with the MAC to apply my highlighter. Don't be mad, you guys. I have no idea what highlighter I'm using right now. And I'm just using my... Now I'm just setting the face with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I'm using the e.l.f. lip plumping. This was the first time I've ever worn it alone, and it actually does plump, but on top of things, I've never felt it plump. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you.